Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Remini to enhance photos that were taken in low light conditions. So let's assume you had a photo that was taken in low light conditions whereby there wasn't sufficient light when they were taking that photo. You're in the right place. Alright, so let's go about it now. Open your Remini application. So when you open your Remini application, look for that photo that was taken in low light conditions. So for example, this photo over here. Alright, so look at this photo, guys, it was taken in low light conditions. Alright, so what I'm going to do is tap on the enhance button there. So when you tap on the enhance button, you wait for Remini to enhance it or to work on it. So after reconstructing, they'll add more pixels, then it will be good to go. Okay, so let's wait and see. Alright, so this is how the photo is looking like. As you can see, it has low light conditions, but after enhancing with Remini, this is how it looks like. Now there's some light. Alright, so that's how it's done, guys. So thank you for watching. When you reach at this place, guys, at this point, you can basically come and save it from here. Then you'll find it in your gallery. Alright, thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.